Hi guys, in this video pag-uusapan natin itong Winner AI na meme coin, and as you can see sa website pa lang nila makikita nyo dyan na naka-pre-sale sila. So pwede tayong gumamit dito ng BNB kapag bibilin natin to, pwedeng ETH or pwedeng USDT, tsaka pwede ding credit card or any card na pwede sa payment method nila. So ang gagawin nyo lang guys kung gusto nyo mag-invest dito ay i-connect nyo lang yung wallet nyo, and then magkakaroon tayo dito ng option to buy dito sa pre-sale nila. So meron silang audit dito. I-click nyo lang ito guys kung gusto nyo makita yung audit. Ayan, Solid Proof yung nag-audit sa kanila. So yan yung i-check natin ngayon para i-review to. So makikita natin dito na merong mga information dito na kailangan talaga nating tignan when it comes to investing sa mga ganitong klaseng meme coin. Sa mga baguhan naman sa pag-invest sa mga meme coin, ang auditor guys katulad nitong Solid Proof ay sila yung nag-check doon sa team. Chine-check din nila yung coin. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. So punta tayo ngayon dun sa audit information. So andito na tayo. Kapag red, critical daw. So ito yung mga risk level nila. And yung hinahanap ko ngayon guys, yung renouncement ng token. So ito, kita na natin, contract ownership is renounced naman daw. Kapag hindi kasi renounce ang isang token guys, pwede silang mag-mint ng maraming token. And yun yung magkukos ng pagbagsak ng token. Kasi kahit under contract yung mga tokens nila, pwede pa rin silang mag-mint. Kasi kapag nasa contract yung token guys, may nakalagay doon kung kailan nila pwedeng ilabas yung token nila, kung kailan pwede nilang isell. Pero kapag hindi siya renounce, pwede ulit silang gumawa ng bagong token, and yun yung isi-sell nila. Kaya delikado kapag hindi siya naka-renounce. And ito, the owner cannot blacklist wallets daw dito. The owner cannot see fees more than 25%. The owner cannot lock function. Yan yung mga nasa audit nila dito sa Solid Proof. Centralization privileges. So, andyan din. Basahin nyo na lang sa mga gustong magbasa nitong audit ng Winner AI. So, balian lang yung audit nila. Check nyo na lang dito guys kung interested kayo dito sa project na to. Itong about naman, check natin kung what is Winner AI. Sabi dito, despite its hilarious sausagey exterior, Winner AI is the pinnacle of AI trading technology. With girthy, predictive features, Winner AI is traders' best friend. So parang ginawa nilang aso. And yung ibang about nito, how to buy. Yun, meron tayong how to buy dito. Number 1 is connect your MetaMask or other wallet to this website using the widget at the top of the page. So yung pinakita ko kanina guys, ito yung widget. And yan, pwede nyong i-connect. So pwede nating i-connect yung MetaMask natin. Enter lang natin dito yung password. Unlock natin. Click natin yung next and connect. So yun, nakakonect na yung wallet natin. Tapos kapag nakakonect na, i-enter natin dito yung amount. Kunyari, $1,000. And click natin itong buy now. Tapos yun, mabibili na yung token kapag ganun. And in regards to marketing naman, makikita natin dyan yung mga YouTubers na nag-promote na ng video na to or ng project na to. At meron din silang Twitter. So ito yung Twitter nila. Puntahan natin yung Twitter niya. I-check natin kung maganda itong Winner AI. Kung kumusta yung post dun sa Twitter nila. And syempre, legitimacy check na din dito sa followers. So makikita nyo dyan, 10.2k. Bago pa lang siya pero meron na siyang 10.2k na followers. So ibig sabihin, maraming mga interested dito sa project na to. Itong mga views niya guys, makikita natin dyan. Medyo mataas na din yung mga views, 2.8k views, may 32k dito. Itong 2.8k views nila guys ay 5 hours lang yan. Tapos marami na ding nagko-comment. Tignan natin yung mga comment niya kung hype ba sila dito sa project na to. Yan, meron si Terence. Okay. Sausage Army, sabi dyan, can't wait. This is gonna be awesome. Send it with haste. Can't wait. That's what I like to hear. Oh yeah. WAI, yan yung token ticker nitong project na to. So WAI. Baba natin, tignan natin lahat. So mga ganun lang yung mga comment nila guys. And marami ding nagre-retweet. So katulad nito, 14 agad yung nag-repost. Balik tayo dun sa main page ng Twitter nila. Yan, AI meme coin pre-sale. Pinost ito guys ng bitcoin.com news. So maghanap pa tayo ng information dito na mahalaga. Katulad nitong 3M raised. Okay, so yan, gumagawa sila ng mga memes. Wag me, sabi dyan, 10 reasons why you should buy. Pero wala naman yung reason dito, hindi natin mahanap. Sizzling Hot Winners. Sobrang dami na palang post nitong project na to. Ngayon ko lang nakita. So, tignan natin yung pinaka-first na post nila. April 11. So, April 11, yan yung pinaka-first na post nila dito sa Twitter. And dyan sila nag-announce kung kailan nag-live itong Winner AI na token. So, April 11 nag-start. Balik tayo dun sa website nila. So, i-check natin yung featured in. Ito, Finbold, Bitcoinist, News BTC, Crypto News, Inside Bitcoins, Techopedia, and ito, ano kaya to? AI Enhanced Trading, an AI interface that's instant, predictive, and noob-friendly. So, pwede daw yung mga noob. Seamless sausage swaps. Never miss a golden opportunity again. Zero fees. Winner AI does not charge any fees. Good doggy. And may MEV protection daw ito. Slap down your winner and never get front run by an MEV bot again. Yun daw. So, may protection siya against MEV bots. And outsmart the market with Winner AI's predictive technology combined with its user-friendly AI interface allows you to instantly score the crypto market for those hidden gems. Ask Winner AI to find your next trade and it delivers the market analysis to help you win more often. Then seamlessly swap, tapos MEB free daw through decentralized exchanges. Tokenomics niya guys, meron siyang 69 billion na supplies, 30% pre-sale, 20% staking, 20% community rewards, 10% DEX or CX liquidity, and meron siyang 20% marketing. So yan yung 100% kung saan nila ilalagay yung mga tokens nila. So yan yung tokenomics, the Winner AI master plan. Ito yung roadmap nila guys. And again, kung gusto nyo maghanap ng project, kailangan tignan nyo kung ano yung mission nila, vision nila, ano yung roadmap nila. So ito yung roadmap ng Winner AI. Ito yung step 1, Sausage Army Launch. So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung Sausage Army launch na yan. Winner AI contract audit, may pre-sale launch, tapos na yan. Final Winnery preparations, worldwide market campaign. Step 2 is Sausage Army expansion, tapos call blast. So, andito na guys sila, nasa step 2 na sila kasi nagko-call blast na sila and Ethereum network takeover. Walang mga dates yung roadmap nila. Wala ding quarters kung kailan nila gagawin itong mga to. Step 3 naman, token listing. The long wait is over. Winner AI launches on global exchanges. So yan yung inaabangan natin guys. Kasi kapag na-launch na yan or nag-TGE na sila, token generation event, bebenta natin agad yung ininvest natin dito kasi alam nating babagsak yung presyo na to. Maliban na lang pag na-hype ulit siya at tataas ulit. Depende kasi yan guys sa marketing plan nitong mga developers ng token na to. For Q&A naman guys, andito yung fact nila sa pinakababa ng website nila. So, what is Winner AI? May sagot dyan. What is the Winner AI pre-sale? I bought Winner AI. Where can I see my tokens? So, pag bumili daw kayo, makikita nyo siya dun sa staking menu, which is may link dito. So, i-click lang natin yung link. Mapupunta na tayo dito sa staking menu nila. So, dito rin natin pwedeng i-claim yung tokens natin kapag bumili tayo dun sa pre-sale. Is Winner AI a meme coin? Ito yung gusto nating malaman. Winner AI is not only a meme coin, it's your ticket to better trading and the native token of the first AI-powered trading bot of its kind. Winner AI is building a legion of fans that he calls his Sausage Army. There's a new dog in the dog park and it's Winner AI. So yun daw yun. Ito yung tanong ng karamihan. Syempre, can I trust the pre-sale smart contract security? Utilizing the robust Web3 payments, utilizing the robust Web3 toolkit for optimal security. These contracts are custom made for our project, ensuring that we maintain ownership and control over their security features. So, yun yung rason niya. Check nyo tong mga link na to. Makakatulong din yan guys para sa pag-DDR nyo kung interested kayo dito sa project na to. And last question, do I need a crypto wallet to buy? Yes, you will need a crypto wallet to buy and claim your pre-sale. Kasi may nakita tayo dun guys kanina na pwede tayong mag-buy gamit yung credit card or debit card. Pero syempre kailangan pa rin natin ng crypto wallet para ma-claim yung tokens natin sa pre-sale. We recommend using Best Wallet, a decentralized crypto wallet that makes it easy to buy crypto for the first time, as well as buy into token pre-sale. And once you've set up and added funds to your Best Wallet, you can connect to the widget at the top of the page to purchase some pre-sale WAI or yung token nitong Winner AI. So bali yun lang guys yung review natin about dito, and makikita naman natin dito guys na unpredictable ito. Hindi natin masasabi kung legit ba or hindi, kasi risk taker naman tayo. So kahit sa mga ganito, pero maliit lang, syempre hindi totoo yung $1,000 na yan. Maliit lang yung pinapasok natin, kasi kahit maliit yung ipapasok natin, kung pumaldo siya guys, kasi makikita natin naman dito at makikita naman natin dito na 0.0007 ang isang WAI token. So sobrang dami na niyan kapag nakabili tayo ng kahit $20 lang or $30 or $50, sobrang dami na niyan. Kapag pumaldo siya, magiging okay pa rin yung kitaan natin dito. Bale, ganun lang talaga sa crypto at investing sa mga ganitong project. Weather lang, tsambahan lang. So, yung sinasabi ko guys, yung video natin is not a financial advice. Always do your own research and only spend what you can afford to lose. So, yun lang guys yung about dito sa Winner AI na meme coin. Pag bago lang kayo sa channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na i-click yung subscribe button. Click nyo na din yung notification bell. Set nyo yan sa all para every time na meron tayong bagong content regarding crypto tokens, meme coins, and anything about crypto, manonotify kayo. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.
Disclaimer. This content is for education and entertainment purposes only. Bilaran TV does not provide investment advice. The information is being presented without consideration of the investment objectives, risk tolerance, or financial circumstances of any specific investor and might not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Some videos have benefactors. Always do your own research. Never invest more than you are willing to lose.